Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow article submission backlink. So the website name is bloglovin.com, and before that we can show something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 90, and according to Moj, the domain authority 93, spam score is 13%, so it's considerable, no issue. And according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing 963.6k, and mostly traffic from USA, France, India, Germany and Canada. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand awareness from that kind of country, so must you guys have to list your backlink, list your article backlink on that website. Okay. So this is a website dashboard. So before that, if you are new on this channel, so please hit the subscribe and like button. Okay. So now we can start. So simply you guys can add your full name. There you guys can choose your email ID. Then you can choose your password. Then you can click for the sign up button. Okay, your browser sent a request. Server couldn't understand. I guess there is some issue, so I have just published with my another account. So you can see this is my same account. So you guys can follow the same method. There you guys can add your email ID, name, password. Then you guys are able to access your profile. Okay. Then you guys can, once you guys can create a profile, so you guys can navigate with your profile section, and you can click for the edit your profile button. And from there you guys can optimize your all details. In the username section, there you guys can update your username. Then you guys can add your picture, logo picture, brand picture. Then you guys can add about the client traffic, about your company. Okay, so I can open the website, and I can going to add a description. Traffic management company in Canada. Then you can click for the save button. Then you can add your location also. Once you guys can complete those things, then you can click for the new post button. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every business should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And you can add your post title. So suppose that I am going to publish a post for this page, and right now I don't have any another article, so I'm just considering these things. There you guys can add a description, short category. Then you can update a picture about this article. Then you guys can add your article over there. So you can simply copy your all content, and the which content or article you wanting to publish, you guys can add your article content over there. Then you guys can optimize your headings, so you can make it bold or something. Then if you then after that you guys can select your keyword, and where you guys can add your website URL. Then you can click for the OK button, and from there you guys can add tags. And after that you guys can click for the post button. This might take a couple of seconds, so you guys can wait. And let me show you guys, I have recently published this one is also going to be published, I guess. And you guys can see the same thing I have published a multiple time. but the after this video I can going to delete all those things, then I can go to publish genuine content. Okay, so there I have added a backlink, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So I have created a very high quality do follow article submission backlink on bloglovin.com. So this is a process for the article submission on that website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.